Learn it with Uncle Rhys and Auntie Robin. What is art? For cha-cha-cha and odi-odi-odi. This is Uncle Rhys. This is Auntie Robin. This is Babes! Swish, 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 swish her tail, swish, swish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and she's off! Dogs don't eat leaves. What are we gonna teach the babies today, babe? What is art? Okay, here's the boring definition first, alright? So, the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form, such as painting or sculpture, producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty and emotional power. There's various branches of creative activity such as painting, music, literature, dance, film, etc. Alright, let's check out some art. Okay, this is really cool. That's Van Gogh. Okay, so these are all just different kinds of art you can do. Alright, that's really cool. That's a textural style. Those are really cool. I'm going to say really cool a lot in this episode because I hope you find everything really cool. Alright, so what we're going to do is, that's Frida Kahlo. She's an artist. We're just going to look at some stuff, alright? And we're just going to get some ideas. And then we're going to try and do an art today. So think about what kind of art you want to do already. And we're going to try and find out these things called artist questions, okay? So here we go. There's some more cool pictures. Oh, there's a cool picture. Look at that cool picture. Let's go. Okay, cool. These floaty circles. See, anything could be art, okay? So it doesn't have to look like anything. You could do shapes. You can do anything you want. Now look at that peacock. That's a cool looking peacock. Look. See, that is watercolors. That's what that's called. That kind is. Oh, it's a pop art. Oh, everything's moving too quick for Uncle Rhys. Look. So that painting there is called the Mona Lisa. Okay. All right. Awesome. So this is art. All right. Oh, it's the babes now. So we got the babes. If you can look here, see, look, that's really cool. That's called a negative filter. So what we're gonna do today, after we get done chilling with all rolling around babes, we're gonna do some paintings. We're gonna do some whatever you can find. We're gonna do some drawings, some sketches. Oh, rolly round babes. That's because she's such a good dog. Rolly round doggy babes. Rolly round doggy babes. So what's she doing? Ooh. Right then, how to do art. So we're gonna learn how to do art today. Alright, anything could be used to make art, right? Let's make a list of things you might have. You might have paper, crayons, paint, brushes, pencils. Alright? You gotta ask your parents or a trusted adult to help you because sometimes you might make a mess. You don't want to get in trouble for making a mess. Alright, so always ask for help before you want to do anything. And then one day you might be old enough to where they might let you do it. So hopefully that day comes soon. Alright, so yeah, so we're just gonna have a look now. Alright? Let's find a clear, safe space. You know, we already said that, but that's really important because you want to be able to left alone as well because you want to be able to think. Right? Thinking in a quiet space is always good. Alright? So think about what you want to create. So it could be like an elephant, like we saw before. It could be whatever you can think of. It could be a big alien. It could be anything. Alright? So let's have a look. Yeah, you know, what do you want to do it on? Do you want to paint it on a painting, a canvas, a wall? You know, you could do anything, the floor, paint it on chalk, anything. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so we're going to watch some examples of some people doing some art. Alright, so, wait, look at that. She's painting on what looks like an umbrella there. That little girl, you could maybe do that. You could paint on a shirt if you ask nicely. We got some paper drawing here now. It looks like they're doing some pencils. Might cut those things up and then paint them, glue them to the wall, excuse me. So yeah, that's a cool drawing. See, look, you could do the pencils. You do the outlines first, and then you color in. You maybe think about doing that. That would be fun. All right, let's look at the next one. Ooh, this next one. See, look, you do the outline first, what you think of in your head. See, look, you do the outline. Oh, then you color it in. And then sometimes you can just do lines. Look, see, if you do all of the different lines together like that, it looks like that's called a skyrise. That's called the skyline, excuse me, a city skyline. And here now, look, we go. This guy's using a pen, a fine point pen. and this is going to take a while. You're probably going to have to practice your art pretty good for that, but it's still the principles are the same. Look, you just done the basic outline, and then how much time you want to spend in between. Look, filling it all in. Yeah, that's how you do pen work. So let's watch the speed up bit of this, and yeah, this is a really cool picture in the end. So let's have a look. All right. Yeah, see? Look at the wings. See, that's a really cool picture, Nian. Okay. Can you draw this? All right, so Uncle Rhys found the picture. It's a really easy picture. Look, see, there's a cat getting in some trouble. Look, in a pot. So what you do is, if you want to, you can pause this now, and you can try and draw it. You could just watch it, or if there's something you don't want to do, you don't have to do anything. But yeah, that's a cat getting in trouble. Look, getting in a pot. And maybe if you don't want to draw that, draw what happens after the cat goes in the pot. Maybe it knocks the pot over and it makes a big mess. Maybe the cat is sitting there. Maybe the cat falls asleep. I don't know. Anything's up to you. That's why you ask yourself your artist questions, right? So artist questions is basically, the questions you ask yourself inside your head about what you want to create, in a sense of like, yeah, you want to draw a big alien. What does the big alien look like? So the big alien might have, a big circle head with a triangle body and, all kinds of things going on. So yeah, you just kind of vision it in your head first, and then you just kind of draw the outline, and then you color in with the colors, and you kind of just want to do that yourself, right? That's all about you. So yeah, let's try and draw this cat though, because it's good to be able to draw things in front of you as well, because sometimes maybe you might see something really cool and you want to show somebody later, and it's good to know how to draw. All right, now, so it's time to go to bed. Say goodbye, babes. The end. We love you.